Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the Satechi USB-C Multiport Pro adapter and giving my honest first impressions about it. So let's get started. This device uses one USB-A 3.0 port. It also has one SD card slot and one micro SD card slot. However, you cannot use both at the same time. The device also has one 4K at 30 Hz HDMI video port, one USB-C charge port, and it comes with an LED indicator. The device is a plug-and-play adapter that can be used straight out of the box via a USB-C port on your laptop or tablet. Connected devices should not exceed an input current of 900 milliamps. Alright, let's begin with the pros of the Satechi USB-C Multiport. This adapter is highly portable and doesn't require to be plugged into an electrical outlet like a docking station would. It also offers some of the most common ports to extend the number of devices you can connect to your Mac laptop. Yeah, I mean, that's a pretty short list. So let's talk about the cons now. There's not enough ports. I like using Logitech's wireless adapters with my Logitech MX mechanical keyboard and MX Master 3 mouse instead of Bluetooth for better connectivity, although I can probably sacrifice the mouse and go with Bluetooth while traveling. I also wish that you could use the SD and micro SD card slots at the same time. It would be helpful when transferring video to an external hard drive from my Sony or Nikon DSLR cameras, as well as my GoPro Hero 10, which uses micro SD cards. There's also no Ethernet port, so while Wi-Fi is very convenient, an Ethernet connection offers a more stable internet connection, and it would be amazing to be able to hardwire to take advantage of extremely high network speeds at venues such as stadiums and arenas for work. The connection cable is not long enough and is not removable. Because of this adapter is often suspended in midair or contorted on the desk. It just doesn't seem to want to lay flat on a surface. All of the peripherals are in the back of the device, so you often will need to go out of your way to try and get to the back of the adapter, which is not good for confined spaces. It feels like the connecting cable might snap from too much tension also. Worst of all, some peripherals lag or bug out. There was a huge delay when I tried typing on my wireless keyboard with the wireless dongle attached via USB-A 3.0. You can only output to a single 4K monitor at 30 Hz, compared to using the MacBook Pro's built-in HDMI port, which can output to 60 Hz. And to top it off, my monitor would randomly flicker when connected to the Satechi USB-C adapter. Of course, if your laptop does not have an HDMI port already, this adapter can get you out of a jam. This USB-C adapter is pretty good and useful if you plan on using it on the go or while traveling, where you know that you're going to be moving a lot. Otherwise, I would advise that you look for better devices that have a longer cable to connect to your laptop. Having said that, I ended up returning this adapter back to the Apple store. I'm just a little disappointed that Apple would throw their support behind just this one device when there are countless better docks and adapters out there. I myself plan on getting the CalDigit TS4 docking station. Unfortunately, that's a rare find at the time of this recording. But anyway, I hope that this unboxing and short review helps you. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe and tap that notification bell so that you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you all later.